I don't like to work. And if you're here, probably neither do you. It sucks to be stuck in the hamster wheel with a 9 to 5 job, always grinding to get to your next salary and paycheck. So that's probably why you want to become a trader. And that's also why I want to become one too. I'm not a professional trader yet, and that's why this channel is called My Trading Journey. So I want to take you along with me on my trading journey, because although I'm not professional yet, I've learned a lot about trading, and I think this is knowledge that's valuable to share with everyone. And I'm already a bit far in this journey, so I hope that you can gain some experience and learn from the mistakes I made so that you don't make them and that you can get your financial freedom faster. So on this channel, you will find tips about trading Forex, stocks, and crypto. I will teach you about strategies that work for every type of market and the ones that have worked for me the best. But also I will give you tips on good habits to trade properly and how to manage your risk, which is the most important part of trading. And most importantly, we'll talk about trading psychology, how to avoid that your emotions get in the way of you and your financial freedom. Sounds good? Then let's go and embark on this journey together. So I've started trading about 3 years ago. I started with crypto and then I got really into it. But of course, I made all the mistakes along the way, just betting way too much money that I could afford to lose, having no plan at all, just buying things going up. And of course, selling at the worst time possible. So because of that, it's really the reason why I think the experience that I have in trading is beneficial for everyone because we all made these mistakes and I don't want others to make them. Now, after 2 years, I'm almost profitable, but not yet. I still have days where things go south and I have a hard time dealing with my emotions and I make mistakes. So that's why also I want to share this journey to show that trading is not just the thing that everyone is selling you that you will get rich quick. It's actually much harder than that, and it requires time and dedication in order to succeed. So if you're interested in learning more about trading and about this channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.